Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you want to open YouTube Studio desktop version on your phone, this video will help you. First, open any browser on your phone like Chrome. Now tap on the search bar and type studio.youtube.com, press search. When the page loads, it may ask you to open an app or continue to website. Make sure to tap on Continue to Website. If it still opens the mobile layout, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your browser. Now enable Desktop Site. The page will reload and you will see the full desktop version of YouTube Studio. From here you can access analytics, monetization, comments, copyright section, and advanced channel settings just like on a computer. If it keeps forcing the app to open, try using incognito mode in your browser. And that is how you open desktop YouTube Studio on your phone. If this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to Guide Pro. Hello everyone.